Continue out of the east. That's going to keep our pattern very consistent. A quiet morning before those scattered storms work in the afternoon. We actually have some of that drier air sweeping across the peninsula this morning. We talked about it yesterday. We've been watching this slowly move a little further westward. Today, some drier air in place, but we do expect still a few of those hit and miss storms as we head toward this evening. But this morning, completely dry on the Doppler radar. No worries as you head out the door. Even the visibility looks okay. We are seeing a little bit of that haze develop inland. Some patchy fog perhaps through Immokalee and LaBelle with 5 miles of visibility. Closer to the coastline, conditions look fine. I'll keep an eye on our inland areas with the warm and muggy conditions presenting the potential for that patchy fog to continue. Temperatures starting the day in the upper 70s for most of us. We are running a bit above average. It is on the sticky side this morning with the dew points not helping us out. 78 is the dew point right now in Cape Coral. So expect the steamy conditions as you head out the door. Remember, anytime we're crossing 70 on the dew point, you know it's humid. So once we get to that mid to upper 70 range, it's the oppressive humidity that makes it feel a whole lot like summer, even though we're closing out September here. Your heat index feels like not far off from actual air temperature, but a little closer to 80 than where we're actually at right now. We expect sunshine as the sun comes up this morning, but clouds mix in right away. So a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon hours, but I expect to stay mainly dry through the lunch hour. After 2 or 3, that's when a few of these hit and miss storms will start to develop. With winds out of the east, the showers will track from east to west. So a few passing showers through our inland areas, but most of this activity will head toward our coastline as we move into the evening hours. 40% chance with pockets of heavy rain possible, bit of the thunderstorm activity possible as well. But after sunset, few hours after sunset, that storm activity will track into the Gulf and our conditions will quiet down overnight. So do enjoy your Tuesday. Not a bad one with the sunny skies to start. That'll heat our temperatures under a mix of sun and clouds. The first half of your day looks mainly dry. It's the second half that will have that hit and miss storm chance worked in primarily after 2 or 3 on and off through this evening. Hopefully that'll bring in a little bit of the rain cooled air and create more comfortable conditions as we head into tonight. 90 the forecast high in Arcadia, 91 today in LaBelle, Bokeelia and Ave Maria. If you're heading out on the boat, your Ingman Marine boating forecast showing winds at 10 knots, offshore seas 2 feet or less with a light chop on the inland water. The next week stays consistent, highs in the low 90s. Again, that is still a bit above average. Average for this time of year is 90 degrees. So we're on the steamier side. Mornings should be dry and sunny, but we will continue to see that afternoon and evening storm chance. Switching gears to traffic.